First of all, this can be done on the roadside, but it's much easier if you remove the tire first. You will need a repair kit. They are cheap and they can be reused. Inside the kit you will find the most important things: 2 handles and sausages, or whatever you want to call them, and glue. All these kits looks pretty much the same, and this one even comes with CO2 cartridges. First of all, you need to find the hole. You can do that by pumping up the tire and sink it into water and look for bubbles. Or, like in my case, I found the hole to be caused by a nail stuck into the tire. Prepare the kit by bringing out this handle. Take a sausage, put it in between like this, halfway through, bend it backwards like that, put it aside, bring out this tool, put it aside, and be ready with the glue. Now you need to be quick. Be ready with this handle. If you have an object stuck into the tire like I have, you need to remove it. Be ready with the handle and push it in the hole. Leave it in. You may need to make the hole larger with this tool. Take the other handle with the sausage. Take the glue. It's rubber solution glue. Apply it on the sausage, all over it. Then quickly remove the handle stuck in the tire. Push the other handle down till it's about that much left. Twist and pull up. Twist and pull up. Apply some more glue. I accidentally pushed my sausage a bit too far down. Otherwise I would have removed excess pieces with a knife. But this works as well. Let it dry over the night and you're done. Thanks for watching. Please rate and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just ask.